What does the process entail when I say process? And for a lot of people it's easier to call it a recipe. So if you say recipe, that means I'm going to have a little bit of salt, I'm going to have a little bit of sugar, I'm going to have a little bit of flour, I'm going to have an egg, I'm going to roll it all together, I'm going to make a cookie, right? So now we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to have a little bit of SiO as an adhesion layer. Then I'm going to start, I'm going to add a little bit of SiO2, I'm going to add a little bit of ZrO2, and I'm going to do that in alternating layers until I get my coating. Then I'm going to put a little bit of superhydro on there, then I'm going to put a little bit of pad control layer on there, and then the thing's going to roll out, and now I've got a product that I can edge and it performs all the functions that I want, whether that's a mirror or an AR coating. So you can build your recipe. What we do is we give you the ability to build your recipe in whatever way you want to get the result that you want. We just give you the blank format for your recipe. So we just have an area where you add your ingredients, and then it's just going to do it in the way that you said. So now if you said something